Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name's Adam. Welcome back to my shop, Kaputy Inc. I hope you're enjoying the channel. Please subscribe, like the video, feel free to comment. Today's little project here is we finish up our flatbed on my F250. There's other things I wanted to get done. The flatbed's all mounted, wired, everything. We just got to add a couple extra lights to it. But today we're going to take care of the V10 Y-pipe issue. Anybody who's ever had one of these and figured out what this deal costs you for horsepower and fuel economy. Supposedly this new pipe I'm going to put on here is supposed to gain somewhere between like 2 to 3 miles per gallon and upwards of 30 horse. That's just what I read. I got the product from SLP. It looks to be a sturdy piece. I don't remember if it came with instructions. I opened it a while ago and I ain't no bitch. I don't need instructions, you know what I'm saying? So follow along as I fuck this thing up. Here's our problem. Main exhaust that comes out, this goes to the back of the truck. I do believe that's 3-inch. These, on the other hand, might be 2.5. I haven't measured. Anyways, these on the other hand are like a 2.5 inch, but they neck down like crazy here. They're neck down like freaking, I don't know, inch and a half, 2 inches at the most. And my understanding is they rob a shit ton of power. So this kit I got over here, this guy here is supposed to fit and slide over it. I got it from SLP. So I made my marks where I think I'm going to cut. We'll start slow. You know, if we got to cut a little more, that's fine, but we don't want to have to have cut too much. That's not a fun game to play. So I'm going to go get out the Sawzall, and we're going to slice and dice this sucker. Fucking trailer park boys, got my bubbles glasses here. Safety first, kiddos. Let's make some slice and dice. Alright, that sweet honey, you can see it there, really necks down. What a stupid design. I'm sure it was for emissions reasons. Fuck you, California. I'm just kidding. If you subscribe from California, I'm sure it's lovely there, but your legislation just sucks. There it is. Let's see how first test fit goes here. Sweet honey, part 2. Alright, so she's turned a little much. It needs to come around to clock to catch this pipe here and get this one going right a little bit there. So we just gotta make some nips up here so we can get that pipe moved around. Alright, quick visual. You know, your mom before she had you, you know, your mom after she had you, you know. Doesn't mean she's not a wonderful lady, but so you can see the difference there. That's straight through frickin' 2.5 inch, and that necks down to, it's got to be 1.5 inches. It's insane. So looks good. We'll get her, try and get her fitted up now. Let's stick it together. right, she's in there. That's the prettiest welds I ever made. It's not very fun welding scaled up exhaust pipe. There's still some good meat there to weld to though. So, just gotta get a new gasket here, put some new bolts in it. They had studs that rusted off, and then I torched the shit out of them, so they gone. New gasket, and we'll be back to making that 6.8 liters of Fury sing. All right, we got our SLP kit welded in here. You can see that comes into the old pipe. So now all we got to do is find the right size bolts here and put the gasket I got today. It's the next day. I had to wait for the parts people to show up. But we'll put the bolts in there and be on our merry way. That's going to wrap up the aftermarket Y-pipe install on my 03 Ford F-250. It is a crew cab short box, 4-wheel drive automatic with the 6.8 liter V10. So yeah, that's what that Y-pipe install looks like. That's a pretty good kit. It fits up pretty nice. You just work your way along and trim it up till it fits really nice, and everything seems to line up really good. I checked it for leaks, and it, I guess that's on me to weld it right, and I did all right. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Check us out on Facebook. We'll see you on the next one.